Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class with your teacher Shweta ma'am. Today, we are going to start a new lesson. And children, it is very interesting topic. Are you ready to learn something new? Yes? Then let's start. Lesson number 14, Art of Pot Making. Early humans were hunters and wanderers. As time passed, they learned to sow seeds and grow plants. They also started to lead a settled life. They kept animals for food and plowing. They also started storing the food grains they grew. They wanted to cook food. So, they began making earthen pots and dried them in the sun. But these pots could not hold water as they were made of ordinary mud. Soon they found that these pots could be made stronger by baking on fire. Handmade pots were made for quite some time. Later, they invented the potter's wheel that helped them to make better pots at a faster speed. They also started coloring these pots. See here, children, people also started coloring the pots. We still make dishes, plates, cups, and utensils of clay. The art of making earthen pots is known as pottery. The art of making earthen pots is known as pottery. We use clay to make dishes and pots because it is cheap and easy to get, and it can be molded into different useful shapes, and pots can be easily decorated with colors. Next, we will learn activity making a clay bowl. Let us make a clay bowl. For that, we need a trowel to dig some clay out of the ground. We get clay from clay soil. Knead some clay with water and make a big ball. Look at the picture, children. Push your thumb into the center of the ball to make a pit. While pushing your thumb, pinch up the walls. Turn the piece and pinch to keep the thickness of the walls of the piece even. Gently pat the bottom on a flat surface to create a flat base. Then leave this earthen bowl to dry in the sun. When it becomes hard, you can decorate it. The bowl is formed and you can put things in it. So in this way, children, you can make a clay bowl. Next, we will learn making a ball from a coil of clay. For that, knead some clay with water and make a big ball. Make coils of clay by rolling your palms over the kneaded clay. Then roll the coils so that they are a little thicker than a pencil. Then stick the coils on top of one another. For strength, force the clay together on the inside of the piece with the help of your fingers. Hold your other hand on the outside so that the piece is not damaged. See here, children. Leave the clay piece to dry in the sun. In this way, you have to make a ball from a coil of a clay. When it becomes hard, you can decorate it. You can now put things in this ball. So children, in this way, you make one clay ball. Many people like using clay utensils. They use cups, dishes, glasses, and pots made up of clay. Have you seen children nowadays people are using water bottle? Yes, all these are made up of clay. These are the clay toys. Making clay toys is as exciting as making clay utensils. You see children making clay lions, tigers, and horses, fruits, and playing with them. They also enjoy while making such toys. So, children, these are some examples of clay toys. You can also make clay toy with the help of colorful clay. So, children, here we have completed the lesson. Watch the video carefully and understand it. Thank you and have a nice day.